Welcome to this video tutorial. In this video, we're gonna have a look of how to use the dimension tool in SolidWorks. The dimensions in SolidWorks, they are classified in two different categories. They are classified in driving dimensions and driven dimensions. Driving dimensions, as you can see, they have black color and they can be updated anytime. As you can see, these lines, parallel lines, came up around the drawing view periphery. These parallel lines means that I'm in the process of updating my drawing view. So once you finish the updating process, you can just simply click the rebuild command. So the driving dimensions, they are called driving because they drive the model and the drawing view at the same time. On the other hand, the driven dimensions, they're just simple numbers that symbolize the dimension of a line or of an angle. They're just simple numbers of symbolize something. So in driven dimensions, they have gray color, they can be inserted manually, and they can be used only for reference. The next tutorial, we're gonna have a look of how to use the driving and the driven dimensions. Thanks for watching, see you next time.